Guess what? Her mom made empanadas. We came to the beach and there's this little market. How cute. Look at the flowers. I love it. It really looks funny on Carissa because she's so small. It's literally bigger than her.
I literally have to lean forward because if I lean back, I'm going back with it.
Now we switch turns and I'm the one who's carrying it. What's my fault? I swear, you can't hang around with Kai. They say I'm the meanest, but like anyone that's been in the same room as Kai and Andrea, it's hostility to the max.
We just said that you're a fucking bitch.
No, in the corner, every time we hang out with Julie, Julie's like, damn, you guys are like really.
It's very honest.
But it's like, damn.
Guys, can we all be friends?
I just love it here. Like this is my home, guys. Guys, I reached Flow Stay. Flow Stay is reached. Guys, we've been in the water for like an hour and it's been such a vibe. Like, you don't understand. Look. They're literally on the paddleboard and we were laying down over there. Yeah. Such a vibe. This is what the check left looks like. We came to the Southport Cafe and I don't know. Start on them. Hey guys, so I got back from the beach 30 minutes ago. I just took the best shower of my life. Nothing beats a post beach shower. Like, you don't understand. I feel so good. I'm tan. Like, you know when you look in the mirror and you're tan? I'm happy because that was the goal and I achieved it. So now I have to take a test, so I'm gonna sit down and lock in for that. But today was such a good beach day. We were there for like 5 hours and it was the best day ever. We'll see where the rest of the day takes us. I got home from a long day at work and my lovely beautiful boyfriend is making pasta. I'm very excited. He just makes everything look so good. What the fuck? Unreal. Gym day. Guys, I haven't been that great with the updates, but it's okay. I went to the gym today. I think I recorded that with Cassie, and then I went to Trader Joe's. Spicy chicken nuggets at Trader Joe's, which is crazy. This is what we're eating. Salad, mac and cheese, chicken nuggets, and french fries. I came back home to walk Bella, hang out with her, and I changed her pee-pee pad. I gave her water, I did the dishes, and I cleaned the house a little bit since my mom's out of town this week. And then I'm gonna head back to Danny's and we're gonna cook food. It looks so good. The protein is so good. You have to try it. You have to try it. Hey guys, it's Thursday night. I don't even know the days of the week sometimes. Isn't that crazy? But it's Thursday night. I just got back from T-Mobile. And I got a new phone. It's currently paying right now. I'll show you in a second. I ran out of storage on my phone. So you know what? I had 128 gigabytes and I was at 126. And I was constantly deleting apps, constantly clearing my recently deleted. I literally didn't have any storage, and I'm going on a trip soon, and I'm like, that's gonna be so annoying to deal with, because just going to the beach with my friends 2 days ago, I ran out of storage, and that was like for 3 hours. Imagine a whole trip. That wasn't gonna work for me. It was already being complicated. As soon as I got back home from work and I wanted to watch Netflix on my phone, you know what happened? It said I couldn't watch Netflix. I was like, oh, okay. And I already paid $10.99 for extra added storage. Anyways, this is the phone I got. I'm obsessed with it. And I'm obsessed with the blue. I don't know why. I just got to the gym. It's 5:40 in the morning, and I'm reminded why I love waking up every morning. Like, I'm ahead there. I finished my workout at the sunrise. We just ordered pizza and made banana bread, of course. Good morning, guys. I just came on a walk with Rusty. We did about 35 minutes, a mile and a half, and it's such a beautiful day outside. Look. Hey guys, so I just got back from Danny's house and he's sick, so we had like a slept Saturday because he wasn't feeling well and I was just taking care of him. But anyways, I went to TJ Maxx. TJ Maxx is literally Ross, but more organized. Okay? Better than that, Marshalls. Let me tell you. But I tried on a couple things, but the one thing that I came out with that I really wanted was a belt, and I think that this is so cute and could elevate so many of my outfits. I've never bought a belt before or worn a belt before in my whole life. I think this is like the first one. So this would be really cute, like low-waisted. I'm really happy with this purchase. It was only $12. A steal. This is currently my hyperfixation meal. I don't know why, but it's avocado toast on sourdough with cottage cheese, honey on top, and 3 chicken sausages. High in protein, that's sriracha. Isn't that insane? So much protein. A couple hours later, same outfit, but now I'm walking Bella. It's insane.